So Cathie Wood, who we all know, is known to spot disruptive companies and give some very bullish price target. She spotted Amazon, she spotted Tesla to name a few, and she's very well regarded among the bullish community. Now, let me change the tone a little bit. So when was the last time you used a product or a service first and then looked up the company and studied the stock because you just loved everything about the product or the service? Let me know in the comments if that has ever happened to you and which is that company. Because it has happened to me, not very often, but it has happened to me. The first company was Apple and the second company is what we are talking about today. In both these occasions, I have done okay with the stock. I started buying Apple stock after the first iPhone came out as I just loved the product and I wanted to be a part of that revolution, and I could very well credit iPhone for making me start in the stock market actually, as the very first share I bought was Apple stock back in 2008. So in this video, I'm talking about another company that I have used and I just loved everything about the company. And recently, Cathie Wood or ARK Invest started to buy shares in this company as well. This is not an all-out tech or a robotics company or a very well-known company, but the way they do things is very clean, simple, and logical, and I'm a big fan of all three. So what I'm talking about today is Farfetch. This is an app that connects different sellers from around the world and get merchandise to you without any major retail presence. I mean, they have headquarters and fulfillment centers, but they do not have a retail location, which is of course a huge expense to maintain. But that is not why I love this company. The reason why I love this company is because they are much more than just a website that gets you the merchandise. They provide a platform of connecting people. And along the way, they power the sellers to reach more customers and power the consumers to reach more sellers. There are many other apps or companies that does that, but the experience I had with them was very different. It's a complete win-win for everyone. Let's take a look at what Cathie Wood bought in this company, and then let's take a look at few stats on the company, and then I will show you what I hold and what was my buy price, because I'm pretty sure you will be shocked. Okay, so as you can see, Farfetch continues to attract action from ARK Invest, and then this is a list of all the Farfetch buys that Cathie Wood has done since July 6th, as you can see. So Cathie Wood has been buying Farfetch since July of 2021 and has bought as recently as September 8th, and currently she holds about 2.4 million shares. As you can see, all these shares that she bought from July 6th all the way to September 8th. As the price of the share has gone down, this is the price going down, this is her buying of Farfetch going up. And she has continuously done that. Now we know that Cathie Wood is bullish on this company, but for all good reasons. Take a look here. Their market cap right now is 14.8 billion, as you can see over here. Along with that, they did a revenue of about 1.6 billion in 2020, and this year they are projected to do revenue of close to 2.3 billion dollars and touching almost $3 billion in 2022, which is next year. Now numbers are good, really good and bullish. But let's keep all of that aside for a second and let's talk about the business model. Some of you might agree and some of you might not, but I cannot go to a shopping mall or stores. As a matter of fact, and this is a fact, I have to take headache pill before I enter the malls. But I love online, just how easy it is. Along with that, the selection, the discount, the deals you can find is amazing. Now Farfetch makes that experience even better with their awesome app, amazing return policy, and some very cool and easy features like scheduling a pickup for return and stuff like that. It's very easy to use. Of course, pandemic forced us to stay at home and take everything virtual. Now, I do believe that some of it will come back and some of the things will go back to normal, but some of things have changed forever, and especially some of the habits have changed forever. Okay, so enough about how good they are. Now, let me share my holding of Farfetch and also when I invested in this company. So this is when I bought Farfetch, or this is what I bought Farfetch. So on August 9th of 2019, I bought 1,000 shares of Farfetch at $10 a share. Right now, the share is sitting at $40. I have gained about 300% on this stock, and my $10,000 investment is now sitting at about $40,000. Now, this stock has gone up as high as $70, but I still didn't sell it. I still didn't trim it. This is the only purchase I made, and I kept it, because I know this company has a very huge potential. So as you can see, the stock right now, this is the chart, and the chart has gone all the way to like $75 right in the beginning of 2021 when everything was going to the moon. This company was also going to the moon. And right now it's sitting at about their 200-day moving average, and that's at a very attractive price. Again, my opinion, personal opinion only. I'm not the only one who is excited about this stock. We know that Cathie Wood is. Along with that, we have about 17 analysts, those who are covering this stock. And out of that, 12 have a buy rating or 70% have a buy rating on this stock. 3 have a hold rating or 17.6% have a hold rating on the stock. And 2 have a sell rating or 11.8% have a sell rating on the stock. The average 12-month price target for this stock is about $54.07. I think it's going to go a lot higher than this. Now, of course, this is my personal opinion for entertainment purposes only. I believe in the company and I feel they have a great future to become one of the leaders that will bridge the gap between continents and offer an all-inclusive shopping experience to new generations and to everyone around the globe. That is it for today. I hope I was able to provide you some value, and if you like the video, then hit the like button and consider subscribing so you do not miss out on future content or future videos like this. I'll link my top 4 mistakes video over here because along with some amazing trade that I just showed you, I have also made some mistakes, so do check it out. As always, an absolute pleasure to share all of this with you. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.